Hey, Abhishek this side. I hope you all are doing well. Today, I'll be telling you about one of the best destination for your weekend plans. Kanatal, located at the center of Mussoorie and Chamba, where you can see the attractions of beautiful campsites and Kodia forest. Now, talking about the ways to reach Kanatal. If you are planning to come near Dehradun, then it's approx 61 kilometers. On the other hand, if you are coming near Rishikesh, then it's around 77 kilometers. I would suggest you to come near Dehradun, and while returning, you should opt the Rishikesh route. The way you can make stops at the Mussoorie and Rishikesh as well. Things to do at Kanatal. Now coming to the most interesting part, things you can do at Kanatal. Camping. There are several camping sites in and around Kanatal where you can enjoy a memorable stay in the lap of nature. The campsites at Kanatal also have budget-friendly staying services. Although the cost may vary depending upon the season, the room share cost rupees 1000 to 1200 per person. The facilities provided are quite good with the stunning view of Surganda Devi temple hills adding to their beauty. Most of the time the facilities provided also include 3-time food. It's a perfect place to spend time with friends and family during a weekend. Additionally, if you want to enjoy a bonfire at night, the staff provides you that too. Jungle Safari. Around 5 km from Kanatal is the serene Kodia forest, which is accessible by an easy trek, a popular picnic spot. The route to the forest offers grand views with several nature springs. You can also enjoy a safari inside the dense forest. There are 2 routes for the Jungle Safari at Kanatal. Here is a pic of the routes. The first route is of 3 km, whose price is around Rs 2200, and the second one is of 5 km, costing around 3500. The prices may change a bit depending upon the season. Jungle Safari is an off-road trip where you can enjoy the view of deodar trees, rare birds, and if you are lucky enough, you can get a chance to witness magnificent deers of the Kodia forest. Other adventure activities you can do at Kanatal like giant swing, skywalk, climbing, zipline, and many more. Best time to visit. The ideal time to visit Kanatal would be from the month of April to October, as the area gets covered in snow during winters. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and let's explore together. Stay tuned for more amazing destinations coming your way. Until then, happy travels.